How to change your phone number on Instagram. So go ahead and open your Instagram application. Now from the home screen, tap on your profile icon here in the bottom right corner. Click on this three lines icon here on the upper right. Now tap on settings option, and from here choose account and then proceed to personal information. In here you will see your email, your phone number, gender, and the date of birth. Click on the phone number and from here just input the number that you want to put. Click on next. Now another way is to go back to your profile tab, click on edit profile, proceed to the personal information settings here in the bottom part of the page, and this will bring you to the same page we are in a while ago. So that is how to change phone number on Instagram. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.